Okay guys, we have a bike stop here. It's like the guy's getting a citation for something. Not sure what. Got a corporal here. So his bike's right here. Let me go to that's not much better. I was trying to get the light out. I think we're okay though. We're back up a little, but it's a bike stop. They're doing a bike check here or something. The officer's definitely writing a citation. It's a corporal. So we'll see what's going on here. The sidewalk bends down right here or something. I almost tripped. So and look at that. Do you see the cart? He had to go. That guy in the cart had to go off the sidewalk into the dirt because he couldn't get by on his. There's a guy on a cart. He could be a handicapped guy, but he couldn't get by because the bicycle and the cop are blocking the sidewalk. So he had to go off onto the dirt. We got another one here. You can't see it, but there's a cop stopped right there. See the headlight? Okay, now he's checking tattoos or something. There we go. You guys can see a little better, huh? He's checking his tattoos and stuff. I would walk on the other. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pass through with this young lady. So walking through. There's less light over here, so so he's gonna I don't know what the officer's checking for now. Well, the officer's checking the hell out of him just for riding a bicycle. And again, I know people are going to say we don't know what the stop was for or whatever. Could have been, I don't know. This poor guy can't get through over here. Yeah, this guy's trying to get through here and this poor guy can't get through. Yeah, I was a little iffy about walking behind the cop right there, but they had a pedestrian coming through, so I just got behind the pedestrian and walked with her. And you see how I did it really fast, so he, you know, didn't get too paranoid. But with that cop spotlight over there, I had to get over here on this side. so. This guy's doing a lot of talking. You have the right to remain silent. Is he then free to go? So he's free to go now. The cop didn't give him a citation though. He put his ticket book back in his pocket. He's gonna take off. So he put his ticket book back in his pocket. And okay, well, that was kind of a bad stop, but we'll see what he's going to do. I want to see where he goes. Okay, there he goes.